So welcome back guys. My name is Amlan and in today's Make Knowledge Free campaign, we go about looking at that one specific setting which you can turn on for your phone to make it as fast as a tracer bullet. Now I am kidding, this setting really works. I would be very happy to hear out from you if you try this out and let me know how much of a speed difference you feel for your phone. So well, I'm using a Samsung. You can try this on a Redmi, you can try this on a MI phone. You can try this on any different phone, so it should work for everything. Now the first thing that you need to do is turn on the developer mode. For any of the phones, you need to go ahead, tap on like about phone, tap on software information, tap on the build number 7 times. You will be prompted for the screen pattern. Go ahead and give in the screen pattern and the developer mode should be enabled. Now when you like scroll from the top, tap on settings, scroll from the top, tap on developer options. Now here there are two things. One is like heading down, going towards networking and toggling this tethering of hardware acceleration. What this means is like in your Android, presently the CPU which is stretched out says, hey, is there any hardware available? If there is, and if there is some process which you can take care of, please do that, buddy. And that's what this is for. So like just turn this on. But more importantly, I want you to come towards like, drawing, and it's under drawing that you will be doing some things. So this is drawing and you can see that we have certain animation scales. So window animation scale, transition animation scale, and animator duration scale. So like you understand, like this is pertaining to animations, and this means the time taken for the animation to take effect. So if there's a circle, there's a hover, and if it says say 1x, let it represent say 10 seconds. So it means that it takes 10 seconds for that hover to take place. So quite obviously, if I make this 0.5, it will now take 5 seconds. So I've reduced time by half, which means the phone, the animations will get deadly fast. Now you can make it to 0, but what that means is like there won't be any animations. It will be super fast. Obviously the phone will become very zippy, but then it's like, sometimes when you don't see the animations, you start wondering whether the phone has gone bust or something. So try making it 0.5x, and now like anything like scrolling, opening up folders, everything becomes really fast. I'm really sure that this is a great setting. If you are playing games, you can also try on like forcing GPU rendering. So like hardware overlays is basically the CPU way of doing things. So if you force the graphic processing unit, do that when you are doing games, so you will see certain changes. But other than that, I really don't want you to do this. Just doing this one setting change, like making this animation things 0.5x, and you will see the difference. You can play around with it, you can make it 5x, and you can see like how slow it becomes, how slow your phone becomes. And that's why like when you change it from the default 1 to 0.5x, you can see like now like when I scroll, go here, there, everything, it becomes very fast. It's not like it's not becoming manageable. It's definitely manageable, and it's simply that the phone somehow, it's as if it's on steroids. So I really like this concept of your phone becoming as fast as a tracer bullet with the small little setting. And like I said, you can do this for Redmi, you can do this for MI. And if at all there is any lagging in the phone, I think this setting really helps kill those laggings. Not to say that processors don't mean a lot, GPUs don't mean a lot. If you have like extraordinary Snapdragon processors, I mean, that really helps. But even with the old systems, I mean, turning on this setting and your phone really becomes very fast. So let us know if this helps. If it does, consider subscribing, tap on the bell icon for notifications, and do share this with your friends and family, because I really think this makes a huge difference on phones. And that should be all. Until next time, it's me, Amlan, signing off. Have a good one.